Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest not loading. Glitch. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest glitch, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about this window of Pinterest. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi here and you will click to turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.